Alright, so this might be maybe the worst unboxing video ever. Maybe not. Not sure if the camera's going to have it all in there. But it's my brand new lathe. We got the stand we made for it. Now we're going to unbox the lathe. I don't have any idea what any of the parts are, so hopefully I got a book so it tells me. If not, I'll just be lying to you if I tell you what part it is. You gonna repeat that?
Yeah.
Brian's helping. He's excited because he thinks he's going to play with it. You got wood shop in school? They got wood shop, man.
Yeah. I can take it next year.
You can only take welding one time?
Huh? No, I can take them all next year.
It's got an instruction book. Perfect, because I don't know what any of it is. Grab them. We'll just put them on the floor. Perfect. I'll use this page right here and I'll be able to tell you what every part is as I find them. You got one of these.
That's the steady thing, ain't it?
It's the tool rest.
Yeah.
We got the tool rest. We got one of these. This is a tool holder, I can tell by looking at it. Tool caddy, they call it a caddy. A sweet jet written on it. I'm going to paint that white so it stands out. Got that rooster. Got this high quality Allen wrench. This don't have a part number. It probably has a name other than Allen wrench. I don't know what though. Let's see. You ain't gonna keep sniffling in the video, man.
What?
We'll take a Benadryl. D. It doesn't really say. I'm sure it has a proper name they call it. Other than, yeah, right here. Knockout rod. It's not an Allen wrench, it's a knockout rod. So got one of them. We got a wrench with a nice handle, and I'm sure it's not called a wrench. It's probably called something else. This is called spindle wrench. Got a spindle wrench. Got the spindle wrench. Got some styrofoam. Big old chunk of styrofoam. Nice. You want to store it in the box. Ooh. Then we got the actual lathe. I think this is just sitting there. Nah, it's locked in. I'll show you the lathe in the box. There's the lathe. I've never had one of these ever. I don't know anything about it, but I'm gonna figure it out. This is the heavy end, and I decided I'm gonna put that on the side with the bigger angles, the 4-inch angles. Even though it won't matter, this stand ain't going nowhere. But so here's the lathe. I'm gonna pick this up and put it up on the bench. So I'm gonna have to move the camera. I'll probably put the camera right here. Probably be all right. Or right here. Should be fine. Let's see what we got. This weighs like 130 pounds. It's probably stuck in the phone. Yep. Called that. Wait. Pull it out half of the time or something. Get it to break the foam. This thing's sliding. This thing's a little bit heavy. It's like 130 pounds. And then, whew. Oh yeah, it's nice. So you can see my stand's plenty big. But I like it like that because I'm probably going to buy the bed extension. And with the bed extension, I should be able to put that on here. If not, I have to weld something else to it to make it bigger. But now, put this right here so I can slide this down. Really no easy way to pick these up. We'll go probably try to center it up. And I'm gonna have to mark the holes to drill it. I don't understand how it mounts. This thing. I want to lean it up and see if there's like bolt holes in the casting. Just stand on that side so it can't fall over. Alright?
Oh, it matches your color design too.
My color design, it doesn't match at all. You got it? Oh, okay. It's threaded holes right here. So it is threaded. I'm gonna drill that and bolt it to this table. Alright. So I was wrong. It does bolt down. It just threads in. I was looking for there to be like a lug that you could drop a bolt through. So, alright, I'm going to see if I got some bolts, drill the holes, and mount it to this table. And we're just going to run them up. Run them up tight. I ain't going nuts because I don't want to break this casting. And I don't know anything about I know it's variable speed. And I only know from watching other videos on it that right now it's on the high gears. It'll spin up to 3,600 RPM. Down here on the low end, it'll do up to 900. There's a trick to it. You throw this lever and it loosens the belt. Let's see. Maybe loosen this. Let that out. And then the motor will lift up. And when the motor lifts up, that loosens the belt. And then you can move the belt over to the middle on that one. And then you have to move it to the middle on this one. And it has grooves in it, so the belt don't jump. And then you take and just push that back down. It's like a ratchet system. And then there you go, the belt is tight again. So it comes with 2 tool rests. And this thing just slides back. Throw the forward to lock it. Tool rest also just slides out of the way over here. Line it up for your wood. Turn it like that. Tighten that one like that. I believe this piece, it has another tool holder over this end that's already mounted. And then this one will go right here. Make sure them screws ain't holding nothing in. They're not. And that's not, I figured that would be it, but it's not. So you need to get another Allen wrench. These are just hand tight. But you'll have to get your own Allen wrench to tighten these up fully. Yeah, so you'll need a 5mm Allen wrench to put this on. That's the second tool rest. It makes one on each side. Let's put it on. Probably should put some Loctite in. Snug that out. That's that. So actually up is on and down is off. Which is weird because that lock came out. It locks it off, okay. So put that back on. Lift her up. It's on forward right now. You can see it spinning. I moved the belt over to the medium range, so it'll go from 110 to 1800. I don't know anything about turning. I just know that I see a lot of people turning around 900 for bowls. Right now we're spinning at 92 in reverse, I believe. Let's check. It'll say what it's in when you turn it on. It's in reverse now, REV. Turn the RPMs down as low as they'll go. I seen guys switch it while it was running. I don't think that's a good idea. Now it's in FOR. Looks like FOT. But so we're at 94 RPMs. That's 320. It's 580. That's 1,000. About 1,060. 1,200. 14. That's 1,910 right there. Pretty quiet. It doesn't vibrate much, but I imagine once you put a piece of wood on there and you start beating around, that it's going to do some jumping. Over here, I know a guy was saying, like I said, I don't know anything about lathes, but this thing is numbered. I don't know how well you can see that. It's metric and standard. On the bottom, it's metric. On the top, it's in standard. There's an inch. Two inches. It's probably, that's it. It's like 2. If you push it out too far, it comes off. It's about 2 1/4 inches. Yeah, got it all set up. The stand's done. The lathe's bolted on. Holds up pretty good. Doesn't wobble too much. That's it. Eventually, I'll probably get the extension so it can go out further. And until then, that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.